In the sixth sum, I am doing the second part. Seven by 9 plus 5 by 9. Student, as the denominator is same, so we can take the same denominator and here adding the above numerators. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 upon 9, and that's the answer. But further the cutting is possible. You can do the cutting on the table of 3, 3, 4, or you may say the answer is 4 upon 3. Try to make the answer in the lowest form. Next one is, I am doing the fourth part of sixth sum. The question is 4 by 7 plus 2 by 9 plus 1 upon 21. So as you can see here the denominators are different. As these denominators are different, so we have to take the LCM first. First take the LCM of these denominators. First go on the table of 3, again on the table of 3, then on the table of 7. So the LCM of 7, 9, 12 is 3 into 3 into 7, that is 9 into 7. 9 into 7 is 63. So our LCM is 63. Now we have to make every denominator as a 63. So we can write 4 upon 7 equals to 4 upon 7 multiply. By which number we multiply 7? So we get the denominator as 63. Here 7 is placed here. So we will multiply it with 9. If we are multiplying the denominator with 9, we will also have to multiply the 9 with the numerator. So we can write 36 upon 63. Again we have to make the equivalent fraction for 2 upon 9. We can write, now we have to make it 63 denominator. So by which number we multiply 9 to get the denominator 63? Here you can see, if we divide this number with 9, these 3 into 3 would cancel out and we will be left with only 7. So we will have to multiply 9 with 7. If we are multiplying with the denominator, again multiply it with the numerator, that is 14 upon 63. Again 1 upon 21. 1 upon 21 we have to make the equivalent fraction for it first. By which number we multiply 21? Here 7 into 3 is 21. So we will have to multiply 21 with 3 to get 63. Here multiplying numerator and denominator with 3, that is 3 upon 21. Now students, we have to find the value for this. Therefore 4 by 7 plus 2 by 9 plus 1 upon 21 equals to 4 by 7 is nothing but 36 upon 63. So writing here, and 2 by 9 is 14 upon 63. And 1 upon 21 is 3 upon 21. Sorry, 3 upon, here you will write 63. After multiplying it, you will get 63. So 3 upon 63. Now just add this number, add, because the denominator is same now. 36 plus 14 plus 3. And after addition, you will get the answer 53 upon 63, and that's the answer. So to do these type of sums, first make the equivalent fraction with the denominator 63, take the LCM, and then take the denominator as a LCM, and then divide this number with 63. If you divide 7 with 63, you will get 9. So multiplying 9 to make 7 63. In this way you have to solve the sums with unequal denominators. First make the denominator same and then add the terms. Next, in the 7th part we will do the subtraction. 7th part is similar but there is subtraction. The first question is 6 by 7 minus 9 by 7. So here the denominator is same. So we can take the LCM 7 and here writing 6 minus 9. Now it would be minus 3. 6 minus 9 is minus 3. As it is positive and negative and we have to subtract it, and after subtracting place the symbol of the greater number. Here the greater number is 9, so placing here minus 3. Next one is the 4th sum of the 7th part. 3 by 8 minus 1 2 by 9. Now student, this is given in the mixed fraction. Now first solve this fraction to the simple fraction. 8 into 3 is 24, 24 plus 3 is 27. So here we can write 27 upon 8 minus here 9 into 1 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So you can write 11 upon 9. Now these are different denominators, so take the LCM. When you would take the LCM, it would be 72 because these are co-prime numbers. So we simply multiply these to take the LCM. So LCM is 72. Now divide 72 with 8. Divide 72 with 8, you will get 9. So multiply the number with numerator. Also here divide 72 with 9, you will get 8. So here you can write 8 into 11. After solving it, you can write 9 into 27 is 243 and here 88 upon 72. After solving, you will get the answer 155 upon 72. Subtract these terms, you will get 155 upon 72. Now this is the same manner like we first convert the equivalent fraction. You can do the sums in either method, like I have taught in the first addition method or in the subtraction method is same, but here the question is in the mixed fraction. If someone asks you a question in English, you reply in English. If someone asks you a question in Hindi, you reply in Hindi. The question is given in mixed fraction, so also answer should be in mixed fraction. So for converting into mixed fraction, divide these numbers. On dividing, 72 2s are 144 and remainder is 11. So our main answer is 2. And writing the fraction with this remainder 11 upon 72, and that's the answer.